Hey everyone, it's Sergio
and Sheila.
And we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right, guys. Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching property tours and learning all things real estate, we'd like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
Now that you've done that, I'll share with you about where we find ourselves today. Today we are in East Dallas again, but we are in the Historical Conservation District of Peak. That's what it's called. But this house is a 2022 new construction property, but it has a lot of the historical characters that all the homes in the area have. Sheila, share with us a little bit more information.
Sure. It is a 5-bedroom, 4.1 baths. It is 5,000 square feet, and it's currently listed at $1,325,000.
Fantastic. Well, I can't wait to see it. Let's go take a look.
Enjoy the tour and enjoy the music, guys.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below in the description, you'll find more information about the property. And if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Or if you're interested in selling your property, we'd be happy to discuss that with you and show you how we can help you sell your house for top dollar. Or if you're looking to relocate to the Dallas area or a local buyer here in town, feel free to actually just schedule a buyer consultation call with us.
Make sure to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila, and don't forget to subscribe.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching.
See you guys next time.